Good Lord. So I just said hello everybody, Dennis Allen, City Boy Homesteader, but nobody heard it because I didn't hit record. But anyway, with that being said, again, we are here at the Red Volcano at the southernmost point of the Salton Sea. North is, I think, that way. Yeah, that's all the sea going up there, maybe that way. But we are at the volcano. It's still an active volcano. There's mud puddles that are bubbling up, which is pretty cool. I saw some of them. They're moving all over the Southern California too. I don't think there are any here. We're gonna explore. I don't know, but that's the Red Volcano. We're gonna explore that. My friend Kitty came with me from Bombay Beach. We were there for a couple weeks, a couple years, I don't remember. She got a kitty cat and a pup and a flamingo. But this is some kind of restoration project that they're trying to do. Excuse me. Trying to stop the toxic wind from blowing. That's probably the original Salton Sea thing that they would have right on the water. Boat launch right there. All the rubble is from an old resort. Yeah, so we're gonna hang out here for a bit. Probably go to Slab City, check that out. She was supposed to sing there last night and play the saxophone, sorry. And just pups. Oh, there's Eddie Murphy trying to steal food. Yeah, trying to get food as always. So yeah, look at all the different color rocks. Beautiful. Pup. Oh yeah, and the cat. There's a cat in the shade.
This is in the shade.
Made it to kind of the top. There's the cars. Found this cool rock. I don't know if I'm gonna take it, but you can see all the what is it called? Scythian. They make arrowheads out of. Since this is a volcano, that's where it comes from. That's what they say. Wow. It's all over. Oh look, it's an old ancient hammer. Should we go sit on that? Don't have my hiking shoes on. I got my jogging shoes. Wow. So cool. Look at that chunk. Yep, I'm not going out there. I think maybe I'll walk down that way. There's Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy, say hi. Oh, there's a little cave over there. There's a dog. So, man, I really wish I studied rockology. I don't think this is a rock. I think... I'm sorry, what? Is it? There's some kind of old bullet. I posted another video about these bullets, and they were calling them something, but seemed like they were kind of sticking a powder thing and shooting like that. I wish I went to rock college. Oh, look in there. Whoa! There's a beehive. Oh, I can't go up it. Okay. Thought there'd be a bat or two. There's Eddie Murphy. Here's the cat. That's my puzzle. Ooh boy, this scares me. I don't know what's underneath. Pretty amazing. Just this one little spot on top here. Oh man, I'm getting wiggly legs. Don't get too close. Get down there. All that heating is geothermal, from what I hear, because of the volcano. And then all this stuff is they're trying to stop the toxic dust from blowing everywhere. And I'm breathing it. This Reddy likes to pray and meditate. I'm gonna be doing exploring, no praying, or I'm always praying, I guess. I say, God, please, hope I don't fall. Please give me sturdy feet. And holy cows, that's scary. It's squishy too. They could just, so you think it's all falling down, which it probably could at any point in time. Wow, that's cool. Might be some mud puddles out there. We gotta find some mud puddles. Puddles of Mud, I think that's a comic book or a band. Kind of scary. Look at that side. I'm gonna peek over. Oy, oy, oy. Look, that big chunk fell. That one's gonna fall one day. Sounds hollow. Yeah, especially with all the erosion here. There's probably a pit going in this way. There's a dog. To the top. Yep, super scared. I don't know if that's gonna flake off. Whoa, yeah. Scary even watching the camera. I can't see much, but let's go this way. This looks dangerous. What do you see? Oh, Eddie, no. Come on, gee willikers. Come on, dog. Don't do it. Unless you have a camera. Hey. Oh, don't do it. Come on. Oh, God, Lord. So scary. What? Eddie Murphy. So if anybody could explain where... Oh, this, I don't know if this is man cutout or... I don't know. This place has been changed so many times by nature. We're kind of at the intersection. I can't even kick a rock over. I used to be good at this. That's a 6. Intersection of the San Andreas fault line and the Imperial fault line. I think those are two, but Salton Sea is kind of like an intersection of two fault lines, so it's no one's fault. Oh, my jokes are getting corny. I don't want to rat anyone out, but one of these signs was not up, it was down, and someone might have taken it. So if you see one of those somewhere else, it wasn't me. See? A lot of those signs are just strewn about. There's another one to everywhere. This place is good for free signs and dogs. What's up, Ed? What's this one? That's an old one. You can't even read what it says. I think there's a snake under it. Nope. That probably said no fishing. Or no catching. Where you going, Eddie? I think you're beyond the no trespassing sign. Oh, that's dangerous. Anybody needs some rebarb? These are all art projects that people have done. Look at the pink. What kind of stone is that? Wow. Ooh, more scrap metal. This is kind of gross. So the soil amendment in editing, they're putting vinyl copy miler, soil stabler, and dust control agent. That's what it is. It smells like latex, or oh my god, it smells like glue. Is that? It's like Elmer's glue. It smells like. Looks like it too. But that's what all these are. Not him. There's a Jeep. There's a pooper. And a place to wash your hands. But yeah, I guess they're gonna throw it all over the soil or spray it. Wow, that's loca en la cabeza. My finger's burning. That's not true. Yeah, it's like glue. Holy cows. It's freaking Elmer's glue. Look, you even roll it and it rolls like glue. You gotta be kidding me, folks. Oh, maybe somebody could barcode that. I'll take a picture. This is all that project of remediating the dust. You can see the big chunks of glass stone, whatever it's called. And then this side, I think they might have done this. I don't think that looks like it was here not too long ago. It looks all fresh and new. And this side looks like a wasteland. Pretty fascinating. We are not heading to Slabs. Take two. And action. We are not heading to Slab City. We decided to go to Old Fogey Hot Spring. If you want to see a Slab City video, there's one on my channel. And so yeah, we're going to the Hot Spring. Gonna hit some grocery stores, get some supplies, because I only got a couple more pounds of fresh meat for me and the nag. Ooh, good morning. Where do we make it to? We made it. Oh, they look good together. There's Ed. We made it to the hot spring. All last night we were just sitting, soaking. I'm going to show you in a bit, or once I have coffee. But there's long-term parking there. I think you have to pay for. And man, look at that. And there's no parking here. We decided to go with the no parking area to sleep tonight. Wow, that's so beautiful. Oh boy. So that's the pools. I'm not gonna record it in there. There's too many people, but you can kind of see it. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Good Lord. Whew, it's great. That's the highway going over a big bridge. There's BLM land. You can camp for free over there. You could pay for across the street for like the long-term parking, or what we did was just illegally park. I was naked last night, so if a cop came, he would have had to frisk me to make sure I didn't have any weapons. A lot of poop over here. Surprised there's not more mosquitoes. Whew. Man, it's beautiful. There was definitely some kind of fire in here not too long ago. You can see a lot of the trees are crispy. Some alligators in there. So it's on the other side, and I'm going back in. So all the overflow is coming in there. Not all of it, but what's that brown stuff? Another green. is algae, but the brown is what? Poo-poo? I don't know. Is that a better angle? Anybody know? Practice social distancing outdoors. Don't gather in large groups. Is that still going on? Barbed wire. I think there's a place back there. If you bring a bucket, you could fill up with hot water and shower somewhere back there with soap, which is pretty cool. But I typically don't use soap, so sometimes I do. Beautiful. Alright, let me go check on the pop-ups. Right, well, here's a little tour of the place. Everybody left. I farted in the water and everybody smelled it and they all took off. They left their stuff here. She's the last one leaving. But this thing's pretty cool. Oh, I can't get too close. It swivels. Hold on. It swivels and it goes that way. So you can adjust it. There's water that comes out over here. So I think it comes, main pipe comes out of there. There's a valve to turn it off from going that way. Valves for the hose that goes in there. And then I don't think there's a valve for the top thing. But pretty cool. Hot. And you can control the valves by, I'm sorry, you can control the temperature by the valves. Shut that off, that cools down. Water goes from here through this one. They have that's not garbage, that goes in there, plugs it if you want to rise this up, heat it up or cool it down, put it on the other side, it'll stop the water flow. And a bird just yelled at me. Good time to go naked dipping, but I'm not. Anything else I should show you? Fence, free underwear if anybody wants underwear. I showed you the rules yesterday. I should take my water bottle. Definitely hydrate. This is lithium, high in lithium here and high in algae. I would definitely shower off after. There is a place back there somewhere, I haven't seen it, but what people do is they fill up those things with hot water and then they go back there and shower off. But I just showered off there. Alright, that's it. That's a cool sign. And then that side. I didn't know that the first time I went in, but now I'm showering. Eddie's just chilling. He did a little art. Hope you don't get in trouble, Eddie. That's the spring. This is the bridge going this way. And there is, I think it's the Colorado River. That's just my guess. It's green. That means it's lemon and lime flavored. Honda Odyssey. What? Well, it's very green. We're gonna go to some BLM land and do some campy wampying for free. Can you see solar panels up there? Are they still there? Oop, there. We are pretty hardcore. That thing, she really knows how to move it around. It's pretty sandy. We're not gonna go any further. Going up there, I mean, we could probably make it, but it just keeps getting worse. Less compacted it. Checking out, heading back to the hot springs for, excuse me, the afternoon or morning, whatever time it is, and who knows. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and all that jibber jabber. Yeah, please do that. I'd appreciate it. That guy, follow me everywhere, and that guy, he just likes to sleep.